Hello and welcome everyone to another video here in this channel. My name is Daniel, and in this video I will again provide you with all of my expectations and price targets for the Bitcoin, Ethereum, QNT and also the ADA price again. So ADA is the special altcoin for today, and I will tell you all of the updates about my current wave count and the specific price targets for those coins. So stick here with me until the very end and stay tuned. And we're starting here straight into the Ethereum for our time frames. And as you can see, this downwards move is still ongoing here, which I currently consider to be most likely a wave A here in this wave count. As you can see, we have already fulfilled or complete a 5-wave impulse towards the upside, which I highlighted here in yellow for you. We hit all of my price targets. We hit the price target for the wave 3, for the wave 4, for the wave 5. We were short down there, long up here. Actually, I also placed short orders up there in this region, which didn't get filled because the price didn't go high enough, but we reached my target area, and I provided you here multiple times every day on this channel that this can finally be over with this upwards movement. And I expect this ABC correction here still unchanged. And if we're zooming in a little more to the microwave count, you can see that it depending on how we are counting it up there. There are various possibilities that, for example, the wave 5 can end here. We can also count it as an A overshooting B, C, which means then the 5th wave was complete somewhere here. But in my opinion, it's the most likely scenario that what we see here is an ongoing wave 3. So we see one more low here for this wave 3, then a bigger wave 4, and then a last wave 5, which then finishes here this wave A correction towards the downside. So in the region at around about $1,500 I expect a pump here in this B wave, but this is not what I'm going to trade. And I will also not enter a short position right here in the middle of the A wave, because I like to wait for actually target areas or wave beginnings. So let's have a look at the Bitcoin chart as well. But of course, it's performing the same way here as I've provided you here every day in the last days and weeks. So we have also completed here our 5-wave impulse. We have also hit the 3rd wave target, 4th wave target, 5th wave target. I told you multiple times up there, a top can be in place, and I expect an ABC correction down. And it seems currently like we are still in this A wave, which is currently ongoing. So there we can count it as in 1, 2. So now we should be in the 3 as well. There should be another 4 and 5, which then finishes off this A wave towards the downside. So there I expect a pump somewhere around or a bit in between 21,700 and 22,200. So in this region could be the A wave bottom, and the B wave pump can be incoming. But I'm not planning to trade this because I am observing actually the BNB chart. If you're interested in what I'm waiting for in the BNB chart, look my previous video, which I uploaded on this channel yesterday for you. Let's now have a look at the ADA chart, because it's looking pretty similar here to the BNB chart. And if we zoom in here a little bit, you can see that we have come down here quite nicely. I made my first ADA analysis when we were somewhere around here. I told you we will most likely see a 5-wave impulse down in an A wave, a B wave up, and a C wave down. And I told you multiple times this B wave can even overshoot, which we finally saw. So I consider this still as a C wave, which is ongoing. In this C wave, we most likely saw wave 1 down, a wave 2 up. We are now in this 3rd wave, so there comes a 4th and a 5th. And the difference between ADA and Ethereum is that ADA will then already finish off this C wave. So ADA will be already in the long-term trend reversal area, where I will enter my next huge long position as well for BNB. So if you're interested in that one, look my previous video from yesterday. And my target area towards the upside is here around about $0.57. So that's definitely a long trade setup, which I'm looking out for here, and which I'm for sure gonna take here, this trading opportunity. So if we are seeing here the 4th and 5th wave, I will buy here this lower low. I will set my actual orders somewhere in between the 0.34 US dollars and the 0.32 US dollar level. So in this target area, which I've highlighted here for you, if we're then seeing a wave one or like an impulse towards the upside and a correction down, this is the position when I'm scaling up this trade heavily. But right now it looks pretty much like, yeah, we're coming very, very closely to this target area. So observe this in the next days. I will, of course, keep you updated about that. If you don't want to miss out, leave your subscription for this channel down below the video. And let's finally now have a look at the QNT chart. And before we start straight into the charts, I want to announce the current giveaway from 1,000 US dollar, which is made by BITGET. And with the link down below in the video description, you can take part. The winners will be selected by the highest trading volume and also by the highest P&L. With the links here down below in the video description, you can not only sign up with BITGET and get your normal 8,000 US dollar bonus. No, actually right now they give you 2,000 US dollars on top of that, which you can take as well for your trading bonus. And of course, you can take your trading bonus and compete with that in the trading competition. So I wish you all the best, and we start straight into the charts. And as you can see there, my expectations are also still unchanged. In my opinion, yeah, my first analysis, I told you already down there, we will most likely move in this region here in the B wave and then come down here in this region. I changed this not even once, so this was actually always the scenario which I was providing you with, and yeah, we're still in this scenario which is unfolding here. So if we're coming down between the 80 and the 95 US dollars, which can happen here in the next few months, you can see it's you can see every other coin there is kind of more progression. We are already a little bit further in our wave count, for example, for ADA. And yeah, I think it will take us some more time to come down there, but it's still my primary expectation. And if we're not coming down there, I will not buy into QNT. If this video was helpful for you, if you like this information, smash up the like button down below the video, leave a subscription, and also check out my other social media channels, Instagram and TikTok. You also find the links down below the video. And also check out the Exchange BITGET with the link down below the video. You get an 8,000 US dollar subscription bonus, which you can use for free trading. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for sticking here with me until the very end. And I hope we will see each other, of course, in the next video here on this channel. Ciao, ciao.